Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchs Ink TV, our best attempt at a YouTube series shot at our custom paint shop in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. This week we have an interesting project to share with you. It's a heavily modified Chevrolet Camaro, and we're going to do lots of airbrushing on the engine cover.
But I got a light that's coming in here that's on a little bracket that's going to shine, it bends out a bit, it's going to shine here, and then I'm going to have the light that goes here around this piece.
In order to spray a black base coat on the parts, we first have to take care of the vinyls and remove them. Now that we've got the vinyls off, we have to sand down the surface to get it ready for primer. I was in late one night, I primed all the parts, put down the base coat, and then cleared it to seal it. Now we're going to sand down the clear coat and get it ready for airbrushing. After looking through some pictures for reference, Tim went ahead and started airbrushing the Bane character on the main engine cover. After Tim was finished airbrushing, I clear coated the parts, polished them, and they were all ready for the customer. That's all for this episode, folks. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope you're as excited as we are for next Friday's episode. Stay tuned and subscribe for trailers and previews for all new Sketchs Ink content, as well as special episodes, promos, and much